Hello folks, let's talk about the fake moon thing that has been buzzing the tech internet for the past few days. This is how the story goes. A user on Reddit took a zoom picture of a blurry moon and the phone gave him a sharper image than it really is. And what can I say? First of all, it amazes me that there are people who still think that smartphone photography is unaffected by artificial intelligence, but it is everywhere, in every photo you take with your smartphone. And secondly, no one is deceiving you here. AI can really do wonders, and sharpening photos isn't even close to being the most impressive one. At the same time, AI models can also be tricked, as was the case with this moon photo. No matter how advanced AI models are, they are far from perfect. The gist of it is that Samsung is relying on artificial intelligence and machine learning to enable your Galaxy S23 Ultra to capture great moon shots. This is done through a neural network that's trained on countless images of the moon, so it's able to add texture and detail to the final image that the camera sensor is unable to catch. It's far from the outright fabrication, where the handset would just apply an overlay of the moon on the photo, leading users to believe that was the actual camera capability. A simple experiment from Twitter user Waleed with the same photo will help you get a better idea of what's going on. It turns out that if you draw something on the blurry moon picture, it still will be there on the photo. Moreover, it will become sharper. Samsung has mentioned that the AI model it's using has been taught on various shapes, from full to the crescent moon, based on images that people can see with their eyes, so it's not indulgent in deceptive marketing. Moreover, Samsung actually explained how the moon mode works on its smartphones. On the official website, there is a long post explaining the whole process. The text is in Korean, but easily translated into your language. Link to it in the description. So those who promote the idea that Samsung is deceiving someone in this way or putting something on top of what is not in the photo are promoting bullshit. Better see how Chinese smartphone zooms handle the moon. Anyway, leave the poor moon alone. It is still almost 400,000 kilometers away from us. The exceptional zoom capability of the Galaxy S23 Ultra isn't just to take photos of the moon. Its utility goes far beyond that. All smartphone cameras rely heavily on software-based processing, unless you are shooting in RAW. Even the iPhone and Pixel's much-loved cameras use AI processing to spruce up their images. So let's not break Samsung over the coals for no reason, or at least do some research. Speaking of cameras, a big camera update is on its way for the Galaxy S23 series. When this update rolls out, this is what moon images will look like. I'm kidding. If we go by IC Universe information, Samsung will roll out a camera optimization update for the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra this March. It is speculated that along with the improvements in picture quality captured by these phones, the update will also touch upon the shutter lock issue usually present on Samsung phones. According to IC Universe, the upcoming Galaxy S23 update will also improve the night mode. Samsung has been accused of over-processing and over-sharpening images in the night mode. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is guilty of the two siblings. The exact date of the update's rollout isn't mentioned, but you can expect the update to arrive towards the end of March. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.